In this video, you'll learn how to automate workflows in Calendly. By following these steps, you will be able to create customized automation for your scheduling needs, enhancing your efficiency in communication. Begin by logging into your Calendly account. Once you have successfully signed in, direct your attention to the left sidebar of the screen. Here you will find various options available to you. Locate and click on the option labeled Workflows to proceed. After you click on Workflows, you will be taken to a new screen that displays your existing workflow, if any. To create a new workflow, look for the button that says Create Workflow and click on it. You will then be prompted to choose a template for your workflow or to select the option to start from scratch, depending on your preference. Once you have selected a template or opted to start from scratch, the next step involves choosing a trigger for your automation. This is where you specify when you want your automation to run. For example, you can select options such as when invitee schedules event before meeting starts, after meeting ends, or when meeting is cancelled. Choose the trigger that best suits your needs. Next, you will need to add an action to your workflow. Click on the button that says Add Action. A menu will appear, allowing you to choose from various actions. You can select options like send email to invitee, send email to host, or send SMS reminder if this feature is available to you. After selecting an action, you can customize the message content and set the timing for when the action should occur, for example, 24 hours before the meeting. Following the addition of actions, you will need to apply your workflow to a specific event type. You can choose to apply it to a single event, multiple events, or all events in your Calendly account. Make your selection based on how broadly you wish the automation to apply. Once you've completed all the necessary configurations, take a moment to review your settings. Ensure everything is set up according to your preferences. To enable the workflow, toggle the option labeled Workflow on. Finally, click the Save button to confirm your changes. Your automation will now run automatically for every booking that meets the criteria you have specified. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.